In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix and customize the font on your Shopify store in just a few minutes. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard through the Shopify website. Once you're logged in, click Online Store from the left-hand menu. Next, click Customize next to your active theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor where you can make design changes to your store. Inside the editor, click Theme Settings, then select Typography. This section controls your store's fonts, font sizes, and text styles. From here, you can change the heading font, body font, and adjust font size settings depending on your theme. Preview the changes in real time to see how they affect your store's appearance. If your text looks too small or too large, use the available size controls to find a balance that is easy to read on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save in the top right corner to apply them to your store. That's it. Updating your Shopify fonts can improve readability, strengthen your branding, and create a better shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching.